Alright, here we're going to learn about isosceles triangles and their base angles, or the base angles theorem. So the base angles theorem says that two sides of a triangle are congruent if and only if the angles across from them or opposite them are congruent. This is true in any isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle just means that two of the sides are congruent. If two of the sides are congruent, then two of the angles are congruent. Actually, you could see that just from our angle-side relationship. If we know that the biggest side is across from the biggest angle, if they're the same angle, across from that has to be the same side. So that's what these pictures are showing. We have congruent sides there, so their base angles have to be the same. Or the opposite logic is true also. Congruent angles lead us to congruent sides. Two sides across from them also have to be congruent. The two sides that are congruent are called legs. The one side that's not congruent to those two sides is called the base, and the two angles that are at that base are called base angles. That is true in any isosceles triangle. This first example is actually misplaced. It's actually not really even using an isosceles triangle. We're still going to solve it, but it's really just using the fact that all interior angles are going to add up to 180. So it says that if angle ABC is congruent to BCD, so this one and this one are the same, so that is 56 altogether between those two angles put together, this one and this one. What is ACD? So we're trying to just find ACD, really just this part of that angle. Well, if that's 56, that's 85. The rest of this has to be 39 because they have to add up to 180. And if this is altogether 56, 56 minus 39 is 17. So measure of angle ACD is 17 degrees. Like I said, that doesn't actually use isosceles triangles. So that was just misplaced. This one does. Here we have two congruent sides. So the angles across from them have to be congruent. That means that is also x plus 10. Now we can use the fact that these are going to add up to 180 to solve for x. So 3x plus x plus 10 plus another x plus 10. All of that adds up to 180 degrees. So we combine like terms. 5x plus 20 equals 180. So 5x equals 160, and x is 32. It's looking for angle G, which is this expression. So we're going to take that x, plug it back in. Angle G is 42 degrees. All right, that is isosceles triangles and the base angles theorem.